Okay, so that's the half of the his house is already putting the roof sheet. So maybe tomorrow I will continue in that area. So we have already putting the insulator. The loft is already done finished. So it's already done finished and already to put decking marine plywood. Then we'll already start the framing. So tomorrow we'll continue wall framing. So in this area is already done finished putting the wall framing. That's wall framing. Then this is the tubular that I purchased this day. Gray primer of all the tubular anti-rust. That's a gray primer. That's gray primer on the beam that I fabricated. Add that's the gray epoxy primer. Tomorrow we'll start this, and this will remain like that because this is a cold glass. So we'll continue at the back, that side. So that side we'll put. Here is already done finished. So in that area we'll put at the back. That kitchen area also. Already done finished in that area. The master's bedroom area. The loft area is already done. So yan ang mga kois. So dito sa project namin dito. So tapos na nalagyan yan ng roofing sheet at saka foam insulator. Tapos yung loft area may mga joist bridging na yan. So sa ngayon focus kami dito sa baba dyan, dito sa lower deck para maglagay kami ng joist bridging para sa makalagay na kami ng marine plywood dyan sa baba. So yan na po. So ayan, yan ang itsura nya. Yan. So yan sa taas awning window yan, tapos yung dalawa fixed glass at saka dito fixed glass yan. Yan sa harap yan may sliding window at saka dito it's a sliding door yan. So ito dyan is ano yan, kwarto yan. Yan master's bedroom yan. So dito sa harap maglagay pa kami ng dyan extension na concrete na parang dyan. So yan na po yung namin project. So already done finished this area. Then the decking is almost done complete, all the decking. Yan. So almost done complete all the decking. We have remaining that area. So in this area is already done, finished installing, and epoxy primer It's already putting the epoxy primer. So this is the front. So that part is already installed, the back walling. That's the back walling partition. So it's already installed. So that area is the kitchen. So that's already installed, all the decking. Okay. The remaining part that will put decking this area. So that preparation for the horizontal, that preparation for the kitchen. So kitchen. So that pulling the back in the master's bedroom, the comfort room, this area. That area. So this is the master's bedroom. So already done, finish all the wooling, priming. So that's a wooling priming, and this is the at the back and in the kitchen area. So we'll continue tomorrow putting that and the decking. Okay, so already done, finish. It's only in this front because this is a whole glass sliding door. So we'll put a frame on this area tomorrow. Okay. So I make a canvas of gutter. So on that part, no gutter. So canvas pata gutter anita. Yan eh. Yeah, para tao ng gutter. So ano na siya itsura sa sulod. Ang loob okay na. So kini na lang nga part diri banda sa kitchen area kana lang part kay kini diri sliding door man eh. So magbutang pag runner dia, putting runner, then okay na. So kana pud nga area dia. So kana dia likod. Okay na humana na. Kana ang mga framing dia sa back. Na. So ano siya. So wala na yang itsura. Wala na yang itsura. Kuan kayo yang atop, anak kayo, slope kayo. So wala na yang itsura. So wala siya. Okay. So the loop area, okay. So maybe next week or this week or next week or this week will we put flooring, all the flooring materials, and after the walling. So the total width, it is from here going there it is 80 centimeter. That's the total dimension of the extension from the loop, the landing area at the top. So that 80 centimeter width. So the riser will put a 2x2 in the center, 2x2. So I'm using 1x2 tubular. Okay, so that's the stair. So yeah, that's the stair. Like that. That's the landing and going there. So we have 14 step, start from there and going up 14 step. So this is the stair. So we have to run finish. So this is a 25 centimeter from going there. So the run, the step, and this is below. We will put a 2x2, a riser. A riser is 20 centimeter. So it is wheeled and cut here and insert the 2x2 tubular and will be wheeled there like that, like that. So we will cut there here and we will insert straight the tubular. So this look like the stair. So this is the stair, and we'll make it up to the up. This look like the stair. So the hollow board is already bring. So that's the hollow board in the truck. Hollow board. I buy 10 pieces of hollow board. Okay. So that's the stair.